It's actually going. They're supposed to... Woo! Oh my gosh! Okay. Hey, it's AJ. So welcome back. Today we got something really interesting. And it's the Haidilao Self-Heating HOT POT. Check it out. So it's super big. It's as big as my head. Actually, I think it's a little bigger. So for those of you that don't know what Haidilao is a chain hot pot restaurant. Unfortunately, due to COVID, right now all the restaurants are closed. So the only way to eat this right now is to buy these instant hot pot kits. What makes this really interesting is that it is self-heating. It's been really popular lately. I actually never seen this in person. Bought one to check it out, how it is and how it really works. We're gonna do an unboxing today and do a taste test. I got the mala flavor, which is a spicy sausage. So let's check it out and see how it tastes. Alright, so this is a close-up. So this is a word for Haidilao, that's a brand. Spicy sausage, self-heating hot pot, Sichuan style, so that's where the mala is. And its self-heating is the 自煮火锅, so that means self-heating hot pot. It says it takes about 15 minutes for the heating process. Alright, so let's check it out. Ooh, alright. Here's the Haidilao logo. Alright. We got vermicelli. Let's see, we got 餐具包. These are the utensils. Oh, that's cool. Check this out. They give you chopsticks and spoon. Alright, sausages, Sichuan style. And then spicy flavored hot pot seasoning. Okay. Wow, so this is really a kit. Comes with a lot of stuff. And I think you can eat this for like camping trips. You don't even need anything else. Everything is included. There's the pot. There's more stuff on the inside. Wow. Okay. Pickled vegetable. Okay. And what is this? Alright. This is the heating bag. So don't eat this. So it looks like a giant hand warmer. Alright, so here's a close-up of the cooking instructions. It's not very clear to me. So do I add water in the little tray? It looks like they also have the big tray where you put water also. Ooh, alright. This is the secret. Here's the big instruction. Take a look. Alright, here's a Haidilao guy. He's all hip and stuff. Alright. Cooking instructions. I'm gonna need my Haidilao hat. Get some music going. Alright, here's step 1. Okay, good. They're in English. Okay, so step 1, take out the upper white meal box. Alright, got it. White meal box. Put vermicelli, pickled vegetable, sausage, and the hot pot seasoning in order. Okay, so let's do that first. Vermicelli. Go. Alright. Pickled vegetable. Alright. The inside. Pretty cool. So we got some seaweed, some bamboo. I forgot what these are called. These are called liang-o in Chinese. Right, here's the sausage. Sausage in. Alright, the hot pot's kind of coming together. Last thing is the spicy flavor hot pot seasoning. Alright, it's mala flavor, so everything's red. It's going to be spicy. Can't wait. I love spicy. Ooh. I can smell the spiciness. Look at that. It's dark red. This is gonna be dangerously spicy. Okay, step 2. Maximum fill line. So add drinking water, fill the line of the white meal box and put it aside. Enough. Alright, step 3. Has to be cold water only. Alright, here's the maximum fill line. I guess this doesn't have to be cold water, but I guess it's fine. It'll heat up. Alright, step 4. Here's the self-heating bag. Alright, put it in the black box. A lot of warnings. The bag, put it in. Alright, I wonder if it's heating already. Step 5, put the white box into a black box quickly and fasten the lid. Alright, I think it's going. Oh my gosh, it's actually going. You're supposed to. Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, they said immediate for a reason. Alright, so step 5 says to put the white box into the black box quickly. I think they need to emphasize bold this quickly and fasten the lid. Alright, so I did not expect that at all to start bubbling up really quick. That took like 5 to 10 seconds and it started boiling water. Note to self, if we do this again, gotta seal that very quick. Otherwise the water's just gonna come out. You can hear the boiling. Alright, so while this is cooking, we got the timer on for 15 minutes. We're gonna take a look at the utensil bag. 餐具包. Alright, here's some napkins. Just aside. Ooh, got toothpicks. Your soup spoon. You can look at how deep the soup spoon is, so you can actually scoop soup to drink. Chopstick kit. This is really cool. It's actually really high quality plastic. So you just let's assemble it. Just kind of clicks in. The color's really cool. Black and red, my favorite combination. I think these are reusable. I'm definitely gonna keep this. It's really cool. Check out this quality. Even has the grooves for the grips. So I always appreciate cooking kits that come with everything that you need. And basically this has everything, including utensils. So I can take this outside. I just need to add some water. That's the only thing they didn't include, but you can get water anywhere. So this is really, really cool. I do appreciate Haidilao to make this a very complete kit to eat. Even though this was around $12, for what you get is actually not too bad. Let's see how this is. Really hot. Very, very hot. Let's put this down. Ooh. Alright, look at that mala flavor. Alright. There's the vermicelli. Oh, it smells really good. It smells super spicy. Alright, can't wait. Let's give this a try. Oh, the flavor is very good. Alright, so the lotus root is a little bit undercooked, so this could go for a little longer. Oh, it's spicy. This one is very spicy. See if the sausage is cooked through. Okay. Still a little hard. I think it's gonna keep cooking. Alright, vermicelli. Alright, check it out. Alright, so that was the Haidilao Self-Heating HOT POT kit. If you guys are hot pot fans, this is definitely something to check out. You get everything in one and you can do it right at home, which is super, super cool. I've never seen anything like this before. You can find it at your local Ranch 99 Asian supermarkets. It comes in at about $12.99 for everything that you're getting inside, including the heating packet, the utensils, all the ingredients that is inside a hot pot kit. It's actually not too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check it out if you guys see it and let me know what you guys think. So these two come in a couple flavors. Maybe I'll check it out next time and show you guys other flavors. I'm gonna get back to eating. Hope you guys liked the video and I will see you next time. Man, I'm still sweating. Ooh. Check that out. Still sweating from the hot pot, the mala.